Welcome to the School Enterprise Challenge. My name is Alondra and I'm going to show you how to create an account to participate in the School Enterprise Challenge program. First, you have to go to our website, schoolenterprisechallenge.org. Then you can click here to join. There, you're going to be taken to ElevatED, which is our brand new website where you're going to be able to participate in the program. You're going to be clicking on create an account, and then you will have to select the language that you're going to use in the app. I'm going to select English, and it's going to ask if I want to create an account using an email or an already use my existing Google sign up. So in this case, I'm going to choose sign up with an email. You will have to enter your email and your password and agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. We really recommend you read this before you sign up. Then sign up, and you will have to do a really short onboarding. So your first name, your last name, you're going to continue, you're going to choose your date of birth, how do you identify, your country, and your phone number. Then you're going to have to select your role. To participate in the School Enterprise Challenge, you have to be a teacher or an educator. So you're going to choose the option for teacher. If you're a student that is aged 13 to 19, you can be participating in the Enterprise Adventure. But please make sure to know that at the moment, you can only participate as a teacher educator to be part of the School Enterprise Challenge. And then you have some information, you'll confirm, select how you heard about us, and then complete your registration and you are registered for ElevatED.